What is going on, my peeps? Man, Versatile is back with another video. Back here to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Fit 2. I know I'm very late to the game, but it was 60 bucks that came along with my Galaxy Tab S7 Plus purchase, and something that I wanted to use that felt a little bit better on the wrist. You know, working with boxes and clinking my arms all over the place. I didn't want to damage my Galaxy Watch Active 2 anymore because it's got a couple scratches on it. One very apparent one that came out of the blue, but then I had another like hair one that wasn't really bothersome. So I'm trying to preserve that watch. And although I may still keep it for work, I definitely want to use something that will feel much better on the wrist for that, along with tracking my fitness results while I'm running and gunning, so to speak, running with all the packages. So before we get into the video, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys ignite the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, so that way you never miss my videos and we can sit back, relax, and see what's cracking. Now let's get into the video. The color I got is Scarlet or Scarlet Red. I would have gotten black, but they didn't actually have it at Samsung, so I got the Scarlet Red. Red's my favorite color anyway, so I'm not mad at that. And I do like the design of the fit. It really just feels like a band. Well, we'll see, but the idea is that it's just a band with some technology in it. So without further ado, Tigress, cut her open, baby. And I don't really use this for anything else anyway. Like when it comes to fitness, I stay in shape and all that, but I just don't care to really track the results. So by having something that automatically does it, if I ever really want to just kind of go back and peruse some of my activity, having these type of technological advances in terms of watches and smart bands really help do that work for you. And that's like it just fell right on out. I thought it was gonna be a little bigger. This guy is teeny. Will this even fit on my wrist? Oh yeah, it will. So it's supposed to, as you guys see, it's not that big. Yo, all right, so oh yeah, so I guess so this little knob here kind of puts itself in the little hole that you designate for in terms of your wrist size, and then you just loop it through the other end once you find that comfort zone. So I'm trying to find that right now. I think that's right there. And it's gonna be easier to wear if I wanted to track my sleep at night as well. So as you guys can see, that's it right there. Nice, for the most part, minimalistic and light. It is lighter than the smartwatches, so that also works in terms of moving. The red is clean. It would be cool if you could actually take that out. Maybe you can. It doesn't look like it, but I mean, oh yeah, maybe you can. So you might be able to change the band color, to tell you the truth, but we'll find that out. But essentially, all I have to do is find the power button, and then we are good to go. And it's as simple as connecting any other smartwatch or smart device to your phone. You simply open up the gear wearable, go down, select the Galaxy Fit 2 icon in terms of the device you want to pair to your phone, and then they're gonna ask to make sure to confirm the connection numbers or to pair whatever it's gonna pair. It may have some software updates that it needs to do, and then you can choose whatever apps essentially that you want to have loaded on here, so that way it works best for whatever suits you. And for me, I'm not really gonna have much on here. Just accept and deny my phone calls, and that's pretty much it. Maybe it'll show me some text messages, but this is my first overall thoughts about this smart band, if you will. Now what I'm going to do is see where the power button is, that way I can turn it on. Now it might be dead knowing Samsung, because like my Gear or my Galaxy Watch Active 2 was dead when I got that. So it does appear you can actually take this off and put it onto another one. Yeah, so as you guys can see, you can actually take this off if you wanted to and pair a different one to it. Or I'm about to break it, but but it does look as though you can actually exchange the band, so that's neat. Alrighty, so unless the power button is right here, which it doesn't appear so because it's not cutting on. I will have to just simply hook it up to a charger, I guess. I'm going to do some more research on that. In terms of what comes in here, I believe you do get like a charger, a charging base. I'll remove this. Down here, you get your paperwork and you get a charging stand right here. So it just docks right into this little charging stand and you're good to go. Paperwork may also let you know how to actually kind of get things rolling. You may have to actually put on the charger first. Let's see real quick. So that's everything for the Galaxy Fit 2. I'm looking forward to actually wearing this tomorrow once I charge it up and set it up and all that. So more thoughts on this down the road. But again, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys ignite the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that way you never miss my videos. Then we can sit back, chillax, and see what's cracking. But your man Versal signing out, and until the next video, wait for it.